Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Friends, in today's video I am showing you apple face wash, how to prepare a apple face wash and how to apply on your face to get whiter and also very better results for your skin, and also for mostly this will be helpful for the people who are suffering from oily skin, friends. Okay, friends, let's start this video. For this all we need to have apples, basin powder and rose water. Okay friends, let's start this video. And before going to start this video, I want to say a big thanks to each and every individual of the subscriber in this channel, because without you guys support and without you guys encouragement we can't achieve this much of response and this much of viewership in this channel, friends. And recently we have crossed 5 lakhs of subscribers in this channel. That means a 500,000 of subscribers in this channel, and we are heading towards to 1 million of subscribers in this channel, friends. That means a very big achievement for us. The people who are already part of in our family is we are very much thankful for each and every subscriber in this channel. And the people who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, friends. You will get very simple beauty tips on daily basis which you can make in your home easily and be a part of our family member, like in our subscriber family. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's start this video, friends. First we need to take from apple paste. Make sure you have to select fresh apples. You need to take some juice or paste from these apples. Friends, this is the paste what we get from those apples. Need to take one bowl. Take paste, and in this add 1 tablespoon of basin powder, this add rose water in this, friends. Just need to mix this very well, friends. This basin powder, apple paste and rose water, just mix this very well. This is the paste what we get after mixing these three well. Friends, just you need to apply this on your face and you need to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, friends, for better and faster results, friends. Just try this twice in a week for 3 weeks. You will see very faster and better results. You will get rid of that oily skin from your face and you will see fresh and white skin within the span of just 3 weeks by applying twice a week, friends. Myself recording this video, so I am unable to show this on my face, but I am showing on my hand. But you guys need to apply this on your face, friends. Okay, apply over your face and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, friends. Myself recording this video, so that's the reason I am showing this on my hand. Friends, just keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that you need to wash it off and you will see very fresh and brighter skin within the span of very short time, friends. Okay, I hope this video will help you a lot, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment for this video, friends. Thank you.